The adult blows the bubbles and the child catches or pops them. The adult holds the blower while the child blows. The adult demonstrates how to blow softly. The child holds the blower and dips it into the liquid, while the adult holds the liquid, and then the child blows the bubbles. Spinning top. The adult can wind the spinning top and release it by pushing the top button. The child will want to take the toy. Turn the child's hand so that his or her palm is facing up and place the toy in the hand. The adult can also practice taking turns with the child, using the language of my turn, your turn. The etch and sketch. The etch and sketch is another great social game. The adult can scribble and give the pen to the child to scribble. The adult can also take the child's hand and trace around the fingers, labeling as you go. Children often want to trace the adult's hand as well. You can also draw patterns and play around with quickly wiping the pictures off. Once comfortable, you can teach the child to put their hands out to request the pen. The jumping man. The adult waits with the jumping man and builds anticipation. The adult then prompts the child to say, go. Wait for the child to ask that you repeat the action.